So after preparing the footing drawing and details, uh, we want to draw the trench plan and section. Actually, trench plan and details is the first structural drawing part. So because we have the footing design already here, so we can use from this footing plan and footing details and dimension for the trench plan. Okay, so just I uh, make a copy of this footing plan, and I will put it here. Just I will change a little bit for this footing to the trench. Okay, so for the trench drawing we have the exact layer for that trench. Let me find the its layer. Okay, just one simple line I will draw here. So I will start from the foundation, just match properties to this one. All of these maybe, yeah, we can match properties to this one like this. I want to change this footing to the trench details. Maybe this footing also, yeah, like this. Now this is a footing number 2, but the trench is at least 10 centimeter. Each side should be more than this footing, so I will offset this size, offset about 10 centimeter. I will take here outside. So let us check the trench dimension 160. Yeah, this footing dimension was 140, 10 centimeter each side. So I will delete this part. By this way, just I can make this trench for this foundation. I will do the exact thing here. Just first I want to also make it like this. Then I will select this. Then I will deselect this. By this way, we can prepare the footing trench like this. So actually, mm, we need to make a trench between this footing for the stone masonry wall. If we see the architectural drawing here, and it comes to see the section, just we need this dimension. This is the floor finish 0 and also minus 0.75. It means 75 centimeter. It is come, it is down here. And after that, for the outer wall, we need 80 centimeter down for the uh, for this foundation, the stone masonry footing. And our stone, our footing, RCC footing will come here also like this. But for the middle part, maybe this one, our footing will come here, but the stone masonry is not this much down here. Maybe at least maybe till here. From this part, maybe we can take 80 centimeter. Yeah, about this much. We will need the footing trench for the um, internal wall. So this one up to here, how much is that? Maybe 45 centimeter. Maybe 45, yeah, 75 centimeter. It is upper of this one. So how is the width? Is 60. So let's come here and draw the trench under plane beam for stone masonry wall. For this part, I will use multiple line uh, ML. I will type ML and also I will fix the scale 80. We do not need 80, we need 60. Just I will draw here. This is our trench like this. I will draw all of that by this way. Okay, maybe I can do like this. So by this way we can complete the drawing of the trench for the footing and for the foundation of wall, internal wall and outer wall for this. So we need to make the section for this footing, trench of this footing, and also for this trench, for all of that. Just I want to take one section from here. We can use this layer. Dimension is okay. I will select polyline here. Make a section like this. By this way, and also I can write the text for that. Maybe select the section A. Like this. For each footing we should make this section, and also one section for the this wall. Yeah, we will make the detail for that in other part. Just we put this foundation trench plan for this like this. So that's enough, I think. Just we want to change the title like this, trench plan. Trench plan. By this way, we can prepare the trench plan for our building. Trench plan is the first structural part of the drawing.